What's up everyone, this is Farhan aka Drone Fate, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to do the Dronie QuickShot. So make sure your drone is on video mode and you hit the video button and select Quick Shots and select Dronie, which is right on the top. Select the distance you want and just draw a box around the object you want and hit start. That's how simple it is. And it'll do the Dronie QuickShot and return back from where it started from. So guys, I really hope you enjoy this easy tutorial, and if you'd like to check out the rest of my videos, go ahead. The link to my channel is right below, and hit subscribe to be notified when I upload more. Until next time guys.